So I ran out of time on the other video. We need to finish this one. By the way, if you wanted more practice or more videos for these types of questions particularly, I would go back to the date 510 and 511 on Edmodo and check out those videos. Those are even more like the questions on the final, more like the questions on the final than these. But anyways, on number 33A, what we've done so far is we multiplied everything by the LCD to get rid of all fractions. We solved, we got this answer. And then we went back and put the denominator, set them each equal to 0. And we got that answer and we plotted those answers. And now we were testing values. We saw that this side did work. So the okay. We saw that it works. So the arrow goes this way. The middle value did not work. When we tried to plug in 1, it didn't work. Now we know that this is 21.6 on a calculator. So let's plug in a value like 22 or anything that's greater than that. And if you plug in 22, you're going to have 4 over 22. And then plus 1 over, what's 3 times 22? That's 66. And the question is that less than 1/5? Because over here we have a 1/5. So the question is that less than 1/5? So on the calculator, you could actually do this. Just go 4 divided by 22, or you could even put in parentheses. 4 divided by 22 in parentheses, close parentheses. And then put plus, open parentheses, 1 divided by 66, close parentheses. Hit equal, and you'll get 0.196. So over here, this is really 0.196. And 1/5, if you did that on the calculator, 1 divided by 5, you get 0.2. So this is a true statement, which means that the answers are on this side. So these inequalities, these inequalities are pointing away from each other, right? So we're going to have to write them as 2 separate inequalities with the word or between them. So zooming in, our final answer is going to be x is less than -1, or x is less than -1, or x is greater than 65 over 3. So that's your answer right there that you'll find on the multiple choice.